This is Tanvir Kazmi, news channel See the World Through. Again, I'm here to discuss very important news which is happening from the last 2 to 3 weeks. The war between Pakistan and India that has caused a lot of sadness into the entire world. That incident happened in one of the Kashmir area, which is a problem from so many years, which has caused I think, approximate five wars between Pakistan and India. This huge population lives in our South Asian country, and many countries are suffering because that problem is continue rising, and they blame each other and make so many suffering for each people in poverty. India has a very huge poverty level. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan, and so many other countries, because of this continued conflict for so many years, billions and billions of people are suffering. Where are we going? How could we show so impatience for a small thing, which is it's a huge people. Look at your family. Even you have 4 or 5 people in your family. Think about from the last 1 month to 2 months, how much conflict happens, how much disagreement happen, how much divorce rate in each country and city. Even you have a very small few people lives in a house. Why you expect billions and billions of people living in a South Asian country that you expect 100% everything will be okay? Let's not show impatience. That was very shows very unfortunate and not a mature behavior by the government and state of India that Modi made so quickly decisions. Even Pakistan, I have seen a prime minister call and sent many times offers to investigate what happening, but they were so quick and started attacking at least so many times. So they had no choice to respond back. And I'm really appreciate and thankful to Trump, USA president, that he came in and he convinced them to stop before they're losing millions and millions of people and burn entire infrastructure. As being a leader, we have to be very, very careful. If people, the world selected you to lead a country, your job is main to uplift the life of your people, uplift the life of everybody around you, and also help your neighboring people to also help them do trade and help each other. Religious differences and so many those kind of political issues will always happen. Keep in your mind, your holy books of any religion continue says, if you kill a bad person, you kill just like an entire humanity, and you will burn in hellfire forever. There's no chance to get out of there. You will never die there. But if you save a life of one person, you save the life just like a billions of people. It's very important that this life is not permanent. We cannot live here for the sake of few benefits here. Let's not go the route how many people still died, even they have a few days of war. Think about how much destruction happened, how much hate happened, how many people are suffering now. They lost a family member, they lost their children. You have to show patience. A very sad thing is that continue from so many years, all the wars have been started by India. They attacked first. I thought they called themselves very true democracy, but this is very sad. Even it was asked them to let's cooperate and find out who is this. They make a decision within a few minutes and blame. This is very, very unfortunate. Think about how many people are suffering, how much poverty you have. Billions of people, millions of people are sitting on roads. They don't have food to eat. They don't have house. Same thing has caused so much issues in entire region. They all are suffering. Let's come back to the path which bring peace and harmony. Let's only we select those leaders who learn to negotiate, talk. You have a right to, if something happens, go and talk, call many times. You have a right to do everything, but let's not come to conclude and think and put blame to somebody. That is also a major disaster. To putting blame without investigation and take some benefits. This life is nothing, just a blink of an eye. I have seen entire my two families disappeared into graves. His life is nothing. Don't think there's not be answerable. We are not answerable next life. So let's not destroy our future, the generation of the future. They are suffering. People are living in very small houses. They have no food to eat. They cannot. You need to build your houses. You need to build highways. You need to build fruits. Put a lot of trees and vegetable for the people. Not destroying their, focusing on more on buying killing devices to kill each other. Let's come back to the path of God, Bhagwan, the God. They and Allah, they all your prophecies and all the good people continue came and say, let's stop it. And I'm very appreciate again. I appreciate the United States President that he helped save lives of millions here. Let's not do it again. Let's never attack each other. You have a full right to call 100 times a day, make phone call, visit every day until things will resolve. There's no other way. Take care. Talk to you next time. Bye.